What is up, great people? Back again with another video. It's NosANA, as some of you guys already know. If you're new to my videos and watching videos from me for the first time, please care to share, like, comment, and subscribe and help the NosANA community grow. In this video, we are going to be proving a trigonometric identity, grade 12, from a past exam question paper. In this question, they gave us sine 2x over cos 2x plus sine squared x is equal to 2 tan x. All right, so we are going to show that we have our left hand side and our right hand side, right? So usually we will have to simplify both sides, or in some cases we just have to simplify one side. As you can see here, 2 10x will be equal to 2 over will be equal to 2 sine x over cos x, right? So here we are given the fraction on the left hand side, and we need to simplify that. As you can see, when we're using our trig ratios, our trig identities, the sine identity will always be easy because it always changes to 2 sine x times cos. Okay, and then the cos 2x identity can change to 3 different identities, but in this case here we need to find a way that we can eliminate the sine squared x, right? So there is a way using the identity of 2 cos x, and that identity will be cos x squared minus sine x squared, and then here I will have to add the sine x squared, and then you will notice that you have negative sine x squared plus sine x squared. The 2 will cancel and you remain with the numerator, which is 2 sine x times cos x. Now you will divide that by cos x squared. Now I'm going to rewrite it, but I will separate it so that we can cancel properly, right? So it will be cos x times cos x, and then we cancel the we cancel the cos and the cos because we are dividing the same things, right? And now we'll have 2 sine x over cos x, and this will just be equal to 2 tan x, and that is what we have on the right hand side, right? So this one was easy. It was an easy 3 mark. There's no way that anyone was going to get this one wrong as long as they practiced and they were familiar with their trig identities. So now we've proved that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, right, as it was given. Okay, so in some cases we are required to simplify both sides, but not in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.